Our finals, please welcome Atmahatya.
This composition is all about the freedom, the faking freedom we got in 1947 by the negotiation of some political shits. We don't think the freedom we got in 1947 is at all favored with the Indian citizens. It's a failed freedom. This one is called 1947 শুরু eternally.
Okay, and we speak about energy. I think that was another energizing big performance by Atmahatya. We would not take the judges' opinion and comments. We will save it for the next round. Let's hear Mr. Rahman's comments, sir.
That was awesome, man.
Thank you.
I think if I sing, I try to sing like you, I can't sing for the rest of my life. After one performance. Amazing. You keep singing again and again like that.
Thank you.
It sounds like a didgeridoo for when you start doing the bass and you sing with that. And I think I'm starting to like the genre.
Thank you. That is the biggest.
And also I think there's a kind of naivety in your philosophy. If you look at it very aggressively, then it's different. But when I look at it from a distance, I find a lot of naivety. So it's like my child crying. Nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's wonderful to hear. You're starting to like the genre, sir. We'd like to hear what the mentors think of this performance. Let's start with Rupam.
আমার সত্যি সত্যি সিরিয়াসলি মনে হচ্ছিল যে যদি কেউ এই জনর এর মিউজিক না শুনে থাকে তোদের দেখে তারা এই মিউজিকে আকৃষ্ট হবে। আমার এটা সত্যি সত্যি ভিতরে মনে হচ্ছিল এবং সেটা হচ্ছে দেখে আমার নিজের খুব ভালো লাগছে। আর কি বলবো, দারুণ ফাটিয়ে দিয়েছো। আর মেহেরিন আমার মনে হয় উইল বি হ্যাপি উইথ দিস পারফরমেন্স অফ ইয়ার্স। She is happy. She is happy.
I feel proud of them. I'm overwhelmed. Atmahatya at their best. যেমন ভালো কম্পোজিশন, তেমন ভালো অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট, তেমন পারফেকশন। Let's care a fig for genres and philosophies behind that. এই ধরনের মিউজিক্যাল এনার্জি performed with this much of perfection, I think মানে এটা সকলের জানা উচিত, সকলের শোনা উচিত। এটা কোনো জনার বা তার ফিলোসফি এইভাবে আবদ্ধ থাকতে পারে না। This is a wonderful musical performance.
Thank you. Thank you.